Ya manibulise dinaka Yudnake ya emaXhoseni kwigqebeka ni emaXhoseni yethu kaloku nina ngale 26 ibikunazisa uba silapho ya sisuke baye siphethe amarasta sempezo obudabane onqaphephe omzamo ofayindlala ningaphoswa. The entrance is free. Ya obhuti abakwazi ukukhenika ithumbu kuqavuka inhliziyo izifihleke sithi my mama, these guys are making my heart to dance in the feta, to dance in the French baloni. Benza inhliziyo idathe kwenqiyoyo ningaphoswa bethuna siphethe ufayindlala. Uyambona sisidudla but ufayindlala. We cannot understand uba ufayinjani indlala kodwa sisidudla siphethe dombolo. That guy is not shiny. I know lamafutha but bambiza udombolo sinabo ngcaphepha akaqina ubhuti eliqidala but they call him ngcaphepha. We don't know uba yenze kanjani but ke sayibona pha ningaphoswa. The entrance is free. Ungaphoswa man, ungaphoswa uze niqabane lakho sizomblitha.